Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to fix armrest lock button on Volkswagen Golf Mk4 Jetta Bora with only €1. Don't forget to like and subscribe our YouTube channel. Here I have an armrest from the center console removed from a Volkswagen Golf Mk4 from 2001, and if you can see the cover from the armrest, it's not in the best condition. It has a broken hinge. You can buy only the armrest cover. You can find it in the video description below. And the broken latch, if you can see, ours is broken, so it doesn't fit correctly. And here the latch is broken. It doesn't fit because one of the hinge is broken. So here we have a new latch. The price for this new latch is only €1. You can find it in the video description below. So let's see what's in the bag. So we have the latch with those two hinges, and then we have two springs. The old one has just one, so this one has two springs. So we will install those two springs on the latch. And then we will install on the armrest cover. If you want, you can buy the entire armrest from the link in the description below. So that's it. Just have to press it carefully. And now you can install the cover on the armrest. If you have any suggestions about new tutorials, let us know in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.